In this video, we are going to show you how to properly apply Dulux Acratex AcraGuard on fibre cement sheeting. AcraGuard simplifies the process of coating fibre cement. Being approximately 40% thicker than standard exterior paint, it quickly builds up a robust coating on this highly porous surface. When dry, AcraGuard is 70% thicker than standard exterior paint, providing a thicker layer of protection. This means AcraGuard can bridge cracks up to 0.28 mm, which is 3.5 times its dry film thickness. We've formulated AcraGuard to make application easier, with an extended wet edge and longer open time during application. This allows AcraGuard to stay wet and workable for a longer period, allowing you to blend sections seamlessly without visible lap marks. AcraGuard is formulated to reduce roller splatter, ideal for large facades and projects with height. Let's see how to apply AcraGuard over fibre cement cladding. First, make sure you've got all the necessary equipment for applying AcraGuard. Here's a list of everything you might need. Stir AcraGuard for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, until a smooth and even consistency is achieved with even colour and no clumps or separation. AcraGuard is self-priming on masonry, so we can apply direct to the surface. On a clean dust-free surface, start by cutting in around corners and edges with a quality brush. To achieve the recommended coating thickness of AcraGuard, aim to apply 1 litre over 10 square metres. This will deliver a 41 micron dry film thickness per coat. Then, using a medium nap roller, apply an even coat of AcraGuard to the fibre cement sheeting. Start from one end and work your way to the other, ensuring you maintain a wet edge. For detailed areas or edges, use a brush to ensure full coverage. As you apply AcraGuard using a roller to areas you've previously cut in, ensure you are applying to a wet edge to reduce picture framing. As you apply AcraGuard, you'll notice its coverage and ability to hide minor surface imperfections. On fibre cement cladding, this is particularly important for nail marks and joints. Now that we've finished our first coat, we need to let it dry. Depending on weather, this will take approximately 3 hours. Repeat the process for the second coat. You should notice the second coat is significantly easier to apply now that the first coat has reduced the suction issues. This second coat will enhance the coating thickness and protective qualities, ensuring even colour and coverage. At 2 coats on fibre cement cladding, AcraGuard comes with a 10-year material warranty against peeling, blistering and flaking. And there you have it. Your fibre cement sheeting is now well protected from the environment with AcraGuard and will keep your project looking great for longer. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, visit our website at acratex.com.au. See you next time.